Hello everyone, welcome to the channel The Technical Fist, and today we are going to see the basics of PHP. So call it a general purpose programming language. So for running PHP in your system, what we have to do is install XAMPP, or we have to say that we need a local server. So let's move on to the local server installation. Open Chrome, search for XAMPP download, open the first link and download the XAMPP as per your server requirement. If you are using Windows, download this one. If you are using Linux, download this one, or using the cross platform, you can download this. So let me download this one. Let's install this. Open, and it will be automatically installed as like other applications. So it is very easy to install, just like other applications. It is provided by Bitnami. Generally XAMPP provides everything. This is the error, nothing. Just click next and see XAMPP provides you the programming language PHP and Perl. Along with it, it also provides you the MySQL database, FTP client, and everything. Just remove these unwanted things and install. So you can also install XAMPP in your desired folder. Suppose you have three partitions of your hard disk, C, D, or E. So I'm not installing it in C, because if I would lost all the data of C, it will also be lost. So I'm installing it in D drive. So next, and next, next, and that's it. It will be installed and we will able to run the PHP code in our base. So let me tell more about the XAMPP. XAMPP is nothing but it provides the interface for Apache and PHP to run your PHP applications on your local folder. Suppose you have to do a programming of PHP, what you have to do is you have to go to the server, write the code for PHP and run it into the server. So what if I don't have a server? We'll make our local computer or laptop server. So for making the local server, we use XAMPP. XAMPP combines the things of PHP, Apache, and everything else in one location and is to give a programming language. As it is installed, let me tell something about the PHP. PHP is basically server-side scripting language, as I have told it before. PHP is generally used for programming web applications. You might have seen Facebook. Facebook is the biggest example of PHP running web application. So I must say that PHP is not the basic programming language. It is also an advanced programming language like others. It is very easy to learn. PHP, Python, these are the programming languages which are very easy to learn. So today I will be telling you about the PHP. Let the XAMPP install and we will be proceeding further. So now XAMPP is installed. What you have to do is you have to start the XAMPP server from its control panel. It has its own control panel. So as soon as you will finish, the control panel will be started automatically. And it will tell you to choose the language. I'm choosing English. And see, you have to do two things: start Apache and start MySQL. You will face some type of issues while starting the MySQL or Apache. That is mainly the issue is because of Skype running on your system. So if you are facing a problem with starting and assigning a port, just close the Skype, start it, and again start the Skype. Everything will run fine. So now let's close it and let's open your browser. What you have to type is localhost. See, this shows that your XAMPP is installed successfully. That's it, XAMPP is installed now, and what we have to do is run a simple program for PHP. You might have seen the program hello world. So we will write the hello world program in PHP and we will see how it runs here. So what you have to do is go to the drive you have installed your XAMPP. I installed my XAMPP in D drive. I'm going to D. You will see the XAMPP folder here. Open the XAMPP folder, htdocs inside the XAMPP folder. Remember, the drive you installed, the XAMPP folder and the htdocs folder where we have to write the code. I'm creating here one folder named test. Let's open the test. And when you will go back to your browser, you have to do is localhost/test. You'll see the directory listing of test. So now I'm going to create a file here and run, and we'll see how PHP runs in this browser. So what you have to do is open your editor, notepad editor. Suppose I'm opening notepad. PHP codes start with this PHP and ends with this. Whatever you have to code in PHP, you have to write within this. If you write outer than this will give an PHP error. So remember, you have always to start this and end with this. So in PHP, let's print something. There are many methods of printing in PHP. You can write echo, you can write print, you can write print_r, print_f. There are many things, but generally we use echo. Let me write echo and print hello world. And where you have to save it is the drive you installed XAMPP. Open the XAMPP htdocs and you created the test, right? So here we'll save it. We'll save it with the name test file.php. Remember, while saving you have to save the file with the name PHP always, because other than this name PHP will not run into any of the system, even not in your local host, not in your server. So always remember to save the file with the extension name PHP. So we'll save it here, and when you will go back to the folder you will see the file is saved here. And to run this file, what you have to do is just refresh this directory you have written and you will see the file automatically listing here. So just click on that and you will see the program is running here successfully. So that's it for the running PHP in your local host. So how was your experience learning PHP? And do let me know in the comment section below what was your opinion about installing PHP and what were the problems you faced during installation. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment to the below section. Thank you so much.